Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your email and DeepL. So actually guys, at first you will need to go with the DeepL.com website on your browser and then just go and log into your account, of course, okay? And then go ahead and click on your profile icon or your profile picture that's located next to start free trial, or if you already have the free trial, you will find it at the top right corner anyways. Click it and then go with the accounts option. It's at the top of logout option, okay? So click it and then you will find your account details just right here: the email, the password, display name, and two-factor authentication. Okay, so we are talking about the email or the email changing. Okay, so all you need to do is to go under the email and just click on change and just enter new email right here and its password. Okay, and after that go with change email. So for the password you will need to enter the actual password and the current one. Okay, and for the email, yeah, you can change it, right? So the password, just to confirm that you're the account's owner. And so after clicking on change email, you will need to go to the new email. Let's consider that Gmail. So you will need to go to Gmail, to that specific one, and then just confirm right there, right? So actually guys, that's so simple, that's it. And from now on, you will enter your DeepL account by using the new email, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.